Hello and welcome to the stock market analysis. Let's take a look at the KLCI. Okay, so the KLCI shot up, made some kind of a double top pattern, and there's some divergence here, and hence the decline. So it has broke down below the middle swing here. So the target should be around here, drop to around here if you take a double top chart pattern target, but since it's in a daily uptrend, most likely this double top will be ignored, especially when it's near the rising 20 MA. So just because a chart pattern appears like a double top doesn't mean okay you're gonna need to short it or whatever. You need to look at the chart pattern in the context of where it appears in the chart. So we have a very rough few trading this week. All the way up, this is a 60-minute chart, and then decline and up. This is a double top kind of pattern. And when you have this 60-minute MACD sell signal, you see every time it crosses this, there's a sell off, and there's a bullish cross all the way up, bullish cross all the way up, and then there's a sell signal. Recently, just have a MACD buy signal, that's why it's moving up a bit. And we can draw a trend line like this, as long as it stays above this trend line. So most likely it's gonna continue to drift up. Okay, especially when you look at it in a context where it's very near the rising 20 MA. So most likely it can trade sideways and then break up higher. But what I want to draw your attention is just look at the strong area of support here. Why is it so strong? Because there's so many trading ranges, consolidation here, highs here, highs here, highs here, highs here, highs here, highs here. Once it breaks out, this area now becomes a new support area. So whatever the KLCI does, as long as it stays above this support area, right, the odds of it moving higher are good. Still above the 20 MA, still above the 50 MA, still above the 200 MA. So you have this kind of sideways trading and difficult movement, because when you look at the left, there's so much resistance here. All this needs to be overcome. So when you know all these things, you realize that trading is not an easy thing. So a lot of resistance here, resistance here. Draw for you to see, and resistance here. Okay, all these are resistance, which is why it's not smooth sailing. Okay, but having said that, there's always a bull market somewhere. Just look at Sunway Berhad's stock, right, all the way uptrend. You want to be buying stocks in an uptrend, but we still study the KLCI because it's the main index in Malaysia. So when you look at the weekly charts, things become a bit clearer, right? Stock market has been making lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and of course I did tell you about, I think I did mention about this, some kind of ascending triangle breakout, if you can see it. So the top of it, I always like to use the ascending triangle's top as support area. So as long as the market stays above the top of this pattern, the odds of it moving higher is very good. Maybe not next week, but soon. Okay, weekly chart show doji kind of pattern. Market is undecided. I'm not surprised. You know why? There's so much resistance here. There's support here, strong support here. So players know, market players know, okay, well, not a good time to long, neither not a good time to short. You know, eventually it will need to resolve by itself, right? But my guess is most likely it's going to go higher as long as this support holds, because it's a strong area of support. And you want to look at this large green candle, right, previous 2 weeks. So you want to take the height of this candle somewhere in the middle here. If the market continues to trade above the top half of this area, most likely it's going to go up. So nothing much to say anymore about the KLCI, except you just have to be patient, you know. Hope this analysis is helpful to you. So if it's helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.